Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to change your nickname on the Instagram app. So if you're using the Instagram chat feature and you want to change your display nickname, in today's tutorial I'm going to have you covered. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is select your little profile icon in the bottom right corner of the Instagram app, and then select where it says Edit Profile up at the top. And then you want to select where it says your name. You got username, pronouns, other things in here. You want to select your username in here. And then you could just delete whatever's in here, type in the username you want, and then check mark at the top to save it. And that's what you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.